Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here, and although I haven't posted anything the last month, however, I have exciting news to share with you. The reason that I didn't upload a new video is that I was preparing my new Etsy shop where you can find my albums I'm making here with you as well as other products. I would be very grateful if you could check out my Etsy shop. I will have a link down below in the description area. So, back here to this project. I made this album that measures 5.5 by 7.5 inches, and I used the Stamperia's collection Around the World. I wrapped the album with a big piece of linen fabric. It really has so beautiful vintage travel backgrounds, and I wanted to leave the cover as it is without adding embellishments because I truly love this paper. So when we open it, on the first page we see down here a small pocket with 2 tickets on it, and actually this is an envelope from the 8x8 collection, and I simply cut the top part of it to use it as a pocket. Here is a tag, and that opens like this. Here you can put your photo, and on the top you can write your notes if you'd like. On the next page I made this strip to keep the flaps closed. This one flips up, and on the top I made a side pocket. Such beautiful backgrounds, I love them very much. On this page there is a belly band that holds 2 cards. And here I made a spot for journaling. On the next page there is a flap, and here there are some spots where you can stick 3x4 photos. I made a simple envelope here to store and keep anything from your precious travel. Here I made a place that has a quite good depth to keep a nice amount of photos. On this page there is a pocket here with a small booklet for journaling. It flips like this. A nice space for 6x4 pictures. And then it flips up. This collection is so gorgeous. On the last page I made a side pocket, and this paper has lines, so it's just perfect to write your thoughts on it. So please be sure to visit my Etsy shop and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!